The Wim Hof Method explained completely, easily, simply for you, especially if you're a beginner, even if you know what you're doing, even if you've done breathwork before, understand this and you will breathe just like Wim Hof. Welcome back to another video. I'm Max Hindle. I help entrepreneurs reprogram their life, rewire their minds for happiness, success, abundance, fulfillment, confidence, you name it, do it. And in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how you do the Wim Hof Method, the breathing technique step by step. And this again isn't just from theory. I have done this through his courses. I've understood it. I've had some pretty profound experiences with it. And also, I've actually had more profound experiences with this than I have with ayahuasca. And if you don't know what ayahuasca is, check out this documentary. I made a little documentary on it. Don't mind me, it's a badly made documentary, but watch it through and you can understand what it is. But I've actually had much more profound experiences with Wim Hof breathing. So before we get started with the video, hit that subscribe button, press that bell so you get my notifications whenever I post. I will be doing an exact step-by-step how to do it as well. I won't be doing it here because I'm, as you can see, sitting down. And in order to do it, you must be laying down because you can be knocked out of consciousness for a couple of seconds, which is where the mystical can happen. But obviously if you're sitting down, if you're driving a car, if you're in the bath, if you're in water, do not do it, because you could fall over, you could crash the car. You must do this in a safe environment so that you're being safe, so that you're staying in consciousness, or if you're, so that you're doing it, and if you're going out of consciousness, it doesn't matter because you will just be laying there. Nothing will happen as long as you're laying there perfectly. First things first, what you need to understand with the Wim Hof Method specifically is there's 3 parts to this breath. And the first one is breathing in through the stomach. The second part is breathing in through the chest. And the third part is what he calls breathing in through the head and just going, and then letting go, not forcing everything out and going. You're breathing in fully, all that oxygen in, so you're fully oxygenating the body. This is why you're doing this. Breathing in and letting go. And what this technique shows you is how to go deeper within your physiology so that you can alkaline your body so that it's not acidic, it's more alkaline. Essentially the way that nature meant it to be. And what you're doing is you're becoming the master over your body. You're not letting your body run your life, you are running your body and your life. So you're taking it over. And the most effective time to do this, in my experience and with what Wim Hof says, is three rounds of this in the morning. And the way the rounds work are, you do the breath 30 to 40 times, then you breathe fully out, holding your breath, and realize that when you breathe fully out, your body can hold its breath even once you've got no oxygen. Why? Because your body is more oxygenated from that specific type of breathing, because you're essentially hyperventilating. You're going, you're breathing more in than you are breathing out. So your blood is actually receiving more oxygen, which is allowing you to hold your breath. So when you breathe out, you can sit for, myself is between 2 to 3 minutes. That's my average, between 2 to 3 minutes. And the more you do this, the more often you do this, the more you can do it for. And then once you've breathed all that out and you can't go any longer, you breathe it all in and you squeeze these muscles. Don't squeeze like you're trying to pop and explode and like blow yourself up. Don't do that, because I've done that and that's not the best way to do it. And trust me. And also if you listen to Wim Hof, that's exactly what he says. Squeeze those muscles. All your abdomen muscles, your chest muscles, and when he says squeezing your head muscles, it's squeezing them. It's not tightening your whole body, because you're not forcing yourself to be knocked out, but you can go out of consciousness. And when you're squeezing those muscles, your abdomen area, essentially like you're squeezing the chakra muscles. And if you've seen my Joe Dispenza breathing video, if you haven't, click the link up here. But if you've seen that, squeezing those muscles, and if you want to watch it, go watch that now, just before doing the actual exercise. But I will be doing a step-by-step of exactly how to do it. I won't do a full 3 rounds, but I will be doing a step-by-step of what you do, and I will be showing you laying down. And if you do want me to explain how to do it and do a guided process, please do let me know, leave it in the comments. More than happy to do that, and I can do that step-by-step for you. Just put, please make a guided process, and I'll do that for you. But other than that, what we're going to do is I'm going to go in and lay on my bed and I'm going to show you exactly how to do Wim Hof breathing. The main key with the Wim Hof Method is, as I said, it's the 3 parts to the breath. You've got lower belly, chest, head.
out. But not, you're not breathing all your oxygen out. You're just letting go. You're not pushing out, whereas you're breathing everything in and just letting go. Breathing it all in and letting go. Rather than going, got it? Got it? Good. Okay. So as I said, I'm not gonna do 3 rounds right now because it's not, I'm sure you don't want to sit and just watch me breathe for 3 rounds. I'm gonna do 1 round, roughly 30 breaths, and then go into the fully out, hold for as long as possible, then breathing in, squeeze in the specific muscles. So definitely check out the Joe Dispenza breathing technique because you'll get the muscles which are essentially your chakra muscles. You're going into alignment with your chakras while doing this breath. It's a very, 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 very powerful technique. So I'll just show you one more time. So, mind my hairy chest. So you go. But obviously you get it into one motion. So rather than doing 3 actual motions, it takes time to build up. But eventually you can get it into one full motion, which makes it much easier. And eventually you just get. Got it? Got it. Good. I will speed this up as well, don't worry. I'm not going to let you sit here and watch me breathe for 30 breaths, which may take, I don't know, however long it takes. So, obviously, you're meant to do 3 rounds of that. And just watch what happens, because, I feel so relaxed. That is the Wim Hof Breathing Method technique. If you want any more help with that specifically, please feel free to send me a message. Or head over to my website, www.maxhindle.com. Scheduling subconscious mind analysis. We can figure out where you are. We can help unwire your negativity, the trauma, the fears, the pain, the worry, the guilt, the hurt, the shame, and allow you to live truly relaxed, blessed, happy, free, fulfilled, successful, abundant. But other than that, please feel free to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you get my notifications whenever I post. I'm posting 3 times a week on a week. Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Get my videos, change your life, and feel free to send it to a friend, because you're not only helping yourself, you're helping someone else, and you're also helping the community of happy and fulfilled people that I'm in the midst of creating, and you're one of those people. So thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much. I've got an idea. If you want to be in any of my videos, I want you to send me a video of you saying positivity, and I can put you at the end of each video. Whoever wants in, let me know, and you can spread that positivity. Just send me a message on Instagram.